We're going to start with G, E, G, hold. And then G, E, G, hold again. And then I really like this part. Watch this. We're going to go A, G, F, E. Then D, E, F, E, F. And remember, when they're small like that, it means they're faster. So E, F. Now, the reason I really like this part is because all of the keys are right in a row. A, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, F. See how I never skipped any keys? A, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, F. And then let's go back to measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to start right here on G. G, C, 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 C. And you could think like big, big, small, small, big. Or long, long, quick, quick, long. And then look at this part. This is another part I really like. C, D, E, F, G, hold. Look over here. C, D, E, F, G, hold, and then lift off. And now the next part is a little easier. G, D, D, F. And then E, D, C, hold, and lift off. And look at this. We've got a joke from Beethovetar. He says, what do dogs say before eating a bone? They say, bon appetit, which means good appetite in French. Okay, let's go on to page 2. And now remember, on page 1, when we started here, we were on G4. But on page 2, let's see if we can find what G we're going to start on instead. All the way over here, what letter and number do you see here? It says G, but now it says number 5. So we're going to move up higher on our keyboard. If we were here before, on G4, we're going to go G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G to G5. Or if we were looking at our regular hands on our piano here, we would go from this G, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that, G5. Let's take a look at page 2. G, E, G, hold. Your turn. Then G, E, G, hold. And this part that I really like because we don't skip any white keys. A, G, F, E. Your turn. Then D, E, F, E, F. And then we're almost done. Let's go to measure 13. G, C, 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 C. Then all 5 fingers, C, D, E, F, G, hold. Then G, D, D, F, E, D, C, hold, and then lift off. And you have done a wonderful job. Keep working on it until you can do the whole song smooth and steady. Give yourself a round of applause and let's be playful. Great job.